Hey guys, welcome to day 5 of air fryer week. Today we're going to be making some very delicious, crisp and soft and pork belly tacos. This is good. This is really good. Let's make this. I'm going to use 2.5 strips of pork belly. It doesn't have the skin on it, unfortunately. If you can find it with skin, oh my gosh, that'd be great. I got this at Costco. And this is how it comes. So it cooks beautiful inside the air fryer. So that's okay. I do have an extra piece that I had, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the whole thing. We're gonna cut this into chunks about this big. So I washed my hands. You know, I'm gonna make a video for you guys pretty soon here on how I disinfect my boards after I cut meat on them. Now that we're doing these weekly series, I'm gonna make, I think I wanna do a week of my kitchen hacks or my how-tos, or I don't know what I'll call it. But I'll show you how I do that. So now I'm gonna add salt, pepper, let's say a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna put hot pepper in this, optional. I'm using cayenne, you can use any chili pepper you have, about a 1/2 teaspoon. Do about a teaspoon of cumin. And about a teaspoon of oregano. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of oil in here. And we start mixing. We want to make sure to coat everything well. I'm going to let this pork belly sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes before we cook it. Okay, it's still very cold. I want it to get to room temperature. These are ready to go into the air fryer. The air fryer preheated for the 5 minutes. So now I'm going to put them in at 380 degrees and we're going to cook them for about 25 minutes. We'll go see them halfway and shake the basket. I'm going to make a little cabbage slaw for my pork. I'm gonna add some chopped cilantro. I'm gonna squeeze a lime in here. We're gonna keep this super simple. I just want a little crunch inside our tacos. I'm gonna add salt. And we're just going to give this a mix and set it aside. All right, now I'm gonna shake the pork in there. We'll just let it finish cooking and we'll make our taquitos. I'm gonna start heating some tortillas to make our tacos. These are corn. Eat as many as you think you're going to want, okay? Look at that. Can you hear it crackle? Wow, guys, this is amazing. Obviously, you don't have to make tacos out of this. You can eat it however you want. Oof, very nice with a nice hot sauce. Beautiful. I'm going to take some of it out and chop it up for my tortilla. So I'm gonna put the meat in the middle of my tortilla. That was really good. Little bit of that cabbage and the salsa of your choice. I will put a link to this salsa. It's my ranchera made with guajillos and árbol. If you're interested, use the salsa you want otherwise. That is a very good looking taco, huh? So let's taste this. Wow. These are on point. They are very good. The meat is cooked perfectly. And you know, the combination with that cabbage and the lime and the cilantro and the salsa, heavenly. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did and you give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe, turn on the notification button, share this video, comment at the bottom. Thank you. I'll see you next week with Taco Week.